Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change mobile phone number on Etoro account. To change your mobile phone number on Etoro, first of all open the Etoro application from your mobile device, or you can also log in to etoro.com on a web browser. Once you do that, from the main homepage, tap on the horizontal menu bar at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Under Settings, click on Account. Tap on the Change button right next to your phone, and on the next page, verify your email address by entering a verification code sent to your registered email for Etoro. Copy the code in it and paste it inside your verification tab. Click on Continue once done. On the next page, select your country code from the drop-down and enter a new phone number. Once you are done, tap on Continue. On the next page, type in the verification code that you received on your new phone number. After you do that, click on Done at the bottom and you will be able to change your phone number on Etoro. So that is how it's quickly and easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.